Philippine Rainforest Summary. Tropical rainforest in the Philippines. The Philippines is home to several tropical rainforest areas, which are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems in the world. However, due to deforestation, many of these rainforests have been reduced to a fraction of their original size. Some of the notable rainforest areas in the Philippines include Sierra Madre Mountain Range. Located on the island of Luzon, the Sierra Madre is the longest mountain range in the Philippines and home to a variety of flora and fauna, including the Philippine eagle. Mount Kitanglad Range Natural Park. This park in Mindanao is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to over 1,400 species of flora and fauna, many of which are endemic to the Philippines. Palawan Island. Palawan is known for its limestone cliffs and pristine beaches, but it is also home to the Palawan Rainforest, which is considered one of the most important forest areas in the Philippines in terms of biodiversity. Samar Island Natural Park. Located in eastern Visayas, the park is home to several endemic species, including the Samar hornbill and the Philippine tube-nosed fruit bat. Mount Makiling. Located in Laguna Province on Luzon Island, Mount Makiling is a dormant volcano and home to a variety of endemic flora and fauna, including the critically endangered Philippine forest turtle. These rainforests face threats such as deforestation due to logging, mining, and agricultural expansion. Efforts are being made to protect these areas through conservation and reforestation initiatives.